Well, good morning. Back from a vacation. Oh, gotta get out here and clean up more of the yard. Did a lot of lawn mowing and gotta do my least favorite thing, which is edging pretty soon. Mm. Hope you have something to get your morning started. I've got some coffee here. Get a little more in me. Ah, well, I have some stuff I wanted to talk about that's personal experience stuff. Had a lot to do with how the AI helped me on my journeys and what I've and how AI, when I came back to work, was interesting. But before I do that, I'll do that tomorrow. Today I want to talk about the true excitement that I am looking forward to, although I couldn't tell you when it's going to happen, and that's in robotics. The reason why robotics is so interesting to me has a lot to do with my wife. My wife has PLS, and so her ability to take care of herself will be diminishing over time. All of us get old, but she's going to have more rapid onset of problems. Now, that being said, there are definitely things a robot would be really helpful for in making her quality of life much better. I mean, I'm not going to say I'm being totally unselfish because there are things I would like from a robot as well. Uh, Everything from, like I said, I hate edging. Maybe get it to edge. And other than edging, oh, I would like to be able to uh, go with my wife to like out for a weekend and not have to worry about the dogs getting fed. But I don't want to put the dogs in a kennel or take them somewhere else. They really love their home. And even when I'm taking them on walks where they see all the neighborhood and to the parks and stuff like that, you can tell when they get home, they actually feel pretty good about it. That being said, well then, Glenn, what's your concern? I don't know how rapid the production will be on this. There's a lot of people that would want this, and the production rate, even if it accelerated at a exponential rate, even if it's even if they produced 1 million next year, would I be able to get one of them? Now, there's a lot of people working on it, not only Tesla, but figure one, figure oh one, figure something. And then there's several uh, Unitree, which is a Chinese company. So there's a lot of people working on it. So you would hope production could ramp up. And there's kind of a little bit of, if your robots are good, and then they can produce other robots. So you can have robots making robots. So you might be able to not have the hiring curve that you would have to have in order to get some production levels up. But we'll see. We'll see. It would be nice. And that's probably my biggest concern right now with AI. I'm actually pretty happy with a lot of other stuff and how fast it's rolling out and how well it's doing. But my two areas that I'm most concerned about, speed and getting it done quickly, is the robotics, and I've mentioned before, is the medical AI, getting some of the breakthroughs that are possible with AI analysis on genetic properties. Those are the things I want, mostly for my wife. I'm actually doing really good. I'm having fun playing around with AI drawings and talking to the AI and stuff like that. But it is nice to have hope that my wife will have a nice, good time while she's with all the time we have left. We have a good time. Right, Luna? This is rare. Usually Pepper's over here uh, interfering with Luna's ability to drop a ball and let me play with her. I can't tell you the last time we got to play this one. Play as in she brings me the ball, I throw the ball. Okay, I'm going to settle on that, and then tomorrow I will do a video about my AI experiences on vacation and coming back to work. We will talk to you guys later. Ta-ta for now.